Hello guys, I'm Surbi and today I'll show you how you can draw this mandala from scratch. If you are a beginner then keep watching because I'll be explaining everything in this video. This video is about how to draw your second mandala. I've already made a video about how you can draw your first mandala. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll drop the link in the description. This mandala is very easy and I'm going to explain step by step how you can draw it. Now let's begin. Let's talk about materials first. You need a good quality paper to draw mandala. I'm using a 180 GSM paper in this video. You can use any paper which is above 150 GSM to draw mandala. Make sure to use a good quality paper. Then you need a scale, a compass, pencil, a protractor, and then you need a pen to draw mandala. I'm using a roller pen to draw this mandala. You can use a roller pen, a gel pen, or a fine liner. You can use whatever you have. You can use any kind of pen. Now let's begin. Now the first thing we need to do is take a radius of 8 cm and then draw a circle of 8 cm. And you can also rotate your page like this while drawing the circles. After drawing the circle, grab your scale and divide this circle into two parts like this. Draw two lines and divide the circle in two parts like this. And now we will start to draw grid. Grab your protractor and place it on these three lines like this, like we are placing it on the right angle. Place your protractor on the right angle and then start marking at 10 degrees. Mark at 10 degrees on both sides and then we will draw lines for grid. Until then, if you're someone who wants to learn mandala from scratch and wants to know about all the basic things about mandala art, you can check out my beginners mandala course. I have made a full course for beginners in which I explained everything. If you want to learn mandala, then you can check my beginners mandala course. I'll drop the link in the description. After marking at 10 degrees each, we will start to draw lines for the grid. Place your scale on both these points like this and draw a line connecting both these points to the center. Make a line connecting these points like this. We are going to complete drawing the grid like this and try to draw grid perfectly because it will help in drawing our mandala. And if we draw grid perfectly, then patterns will look similar. Try to draw grid perfectly. After drawing the grid, we will start to draw circles and mandala. Place your scale from the center like this and mark at 1 centimeter and then 1.2 centimeter. We will keep marking and keep drawing patterns and circles. First mark and then draw circles. We are going to draw all the circles with pencil. First to draw the circles and after that draw both the circles with pen and then we will start to draw patterns. Draw both of these circles with pen. Then in the center make a design like this and then fill the remaining circle completely. We are filling this circle after making the design. After completing the center design, we will mark for the circle. So place your scale on the last circle like this and then mark at 0.5. And then again place your scale on the mark we made and then mark at 0.8. So we will keep marking for the circles like this, placing scale on the last circle and then marking like this. So we will keep increasing the radius and then draw circles. So draw circles as per we marked. After drawing the circles, we will start to draw patterns. So in the first row, use one grid line and draw petals like this. So we are going to draw petals like this in this first row. Draw one petal in one line and leave these petals like this. Don't make it too hectic by adding more patterns in these. So after completing the first row, in the next row, again we will use one grid line to draw a petal. So use one grid line, draw one long petal and then draw a line and a dot. Draw a petal and a line and a dot. So we are going to complete this row with this very simple pattern. Use one grid and then draw a petal, draw a long petal, then draw a line and a dot. So let's complete this row. So this row is also completed now. For the next row, place your scale like this on the last circle and then mark at 1 centimeter. Mark at 1 centimeter and then draw a circle. So now we will start to make patterns in this row. So use two grid lines and then draw a petal like this. Use two grid lines and then double the lining of the petal. Then draw a line in the middle and then draw diagonal lines at one side. And leave the another side like that. So use two grid lines and draw a petal. Double the lining of the petal. Draw a line. Draw some more lines like diagonal lines at a side. And this pattern is done. So we are going to complete this row by this pattern. So let's complete this row by using this very simple pattern. So now this row is also completed. You can see how beautiful it already looks. Then again place your scale on the last circle like this and then mark at 0.8 centimeter and draw a circle. And also here we are ending the first portion of our mandala. So draw this circle with pen. So the first portion of our mandala is completed. Again place your scale like this and then mark at 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So these are the final circles we are going to make. So mark at 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter and then draw two circles with pencil. Now in the next row use one grid line and start drawing one petal in one grid. And then double the lining of the petal, make a design at a corner and then fill the remaining. So draw a petal using one grid and double the lining, then make a design and fill the remaining petal. So we are going to complete this row by using this pattern. So let's complete this row. So this row is also completed now. In the next row, use two of these grid lines and draw one pointed petal like this. Then double the lining of the pointed petal like this and draw a line in the middle and then draw diagonal lines at both sides. Use two grid lines and then draw a pointed petal, then double the lining. Then draw a line in the middle and draw diagonal lines at both sides. So we are going to complete this row by using this very simple pattern. So now let's complete this row. So this row is also completed. Now only the last row is left. So now let's draw the pattern in the last row and complete this mandala. So in the last row, use two grid lines and draw one pointed petal. And make sure to start drawing the petal from the end point of the petals in the previous row. So draw petals like this and then double the lining of the petals. Then from the upside start making design like this. Then draw long petals like this. Draw three long petals and then draw a line and a dot and fill the gap. So double the lining of the petal, then start making patterns like this, then draw petals, draw three petals in the each pattern and then draw a line and a dot and fill the space. So let's complete this row. And now erase all these extra lines of this mandala. Then just one last finishing touch. So where we ended the first portion of our mandala, grab your gel pen and darkening the outline of these petals. So darken the outline of these petals like this. So we are giving finishing touch to our mandala. Now let's complete. And now it's finally completed. So this video was all about how you can draw your second mandala and anyone can draw this mandala. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments and tell me what kind of tutorials I should make next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.